guys, welcome back. My name is KenYada, and in today's video I am going to be finishing off my favorite product series with stylers. I have 4 stylers to talk about today. I know in all the previous favorites videos they've been like 20 minutes long, so in this video I'm going to try to stick to the point, keep it concise, and give you a shorter video this time. But I'm excited, and if you're interested in knowing my favorite stylers, then just keep watching. The first product I have to talk about is Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Jelly. Is that right? Curling Gel. So this is my all-time favorite styler for gel. Like, I like creams, strictly like curling creams as my stylers, but I fell in love with Aunt Jackie's curling gel because it's super lightweight and it's not tacky. When you put this on your hair, like when you put it in your fingers and stuff, like before you apply it, you can definitely tell that it's more water-based and like lightweight. I mean, this is all the way gone, but it's okay because I've already purchased I've already went and repurchased it. This one's 20% more, so I'm like excited about that. This was $7.59 at my local beauty supply store. I really don't understand like the price points for products sometimes. You know, I'm not complaining that it's, you know, 40 cents cheaper, but I don't understand why it isn't just $7.99 instead of $7.59. It's weird, but whatever. So I went ahead and repurchased this because I absolutely love it. I like the smell. It's very lightweight. The first ingredient is water. After I let this air dry, when I put in my leave-in conditioner and then I put this on, like, it's not very tacky. It goes on super defining. It has a really light consistency, and that's what I look for in a gel because I kind of stopped using gels, like I said, gels, and also sometimes even smoothies because they leave like a cakey, like white residue in my hair. So I just thought maybe my hair didn't like gels, so I just stopped using them altogether. But then when I tried this, like when I paired this with like leave-in conditioners, and I don't ever have to worry about like that white, like flaky weirdness that happens in your hair, and it feels like you just have to, like, anytime that happens in my hair, I just wash my hair and start over. I know it seems like dramatic, but there's nothing I can do to fix that. Like, if the product left residue and flakes all throughout my hair, there's nothing else I can do but, like, you know, restyle it or just throw it up in a ponytail. But when I use this gel, I don't have to worry about that. It's super lightweight, like, and it pairs really well. Like, it's like, it says elongating. Like, when I put this in my hair, like, there's a difference because I have crazy shrinkage. Like, I don't have it in my hair right now, sorry guys, but like, my curls look longer. Like, you know when people say things, you know, stretch your curls, that be for the hype. It don't ever really do anything. You know, I still have shrinkage, but when I pair this with products, like, my hair is longer. It's visibly, like, it's not as much shrinkage, and I'm here for it because shrinkage is a good thing. Like, it means your hair is healthy, but sometimes you just, you know, you want your hair to look like the length it truly is when you wear your curls. Maybe that's just me, but yes. So I enjoy this product, and it's versatile. Like, I also use this as like to lay down my edges or like as an edge control because I used to use Eco Styler, but that product, Jesus Christ, like, I would put that in my hair and it could be like 2 hours later and I could already see it flaking. Like, sometimes, like, my boyfriend would be like, what's the white stuff in your hair? And I'm like, and I look, and it's like the gel is already caking and it's already turning white. He's sitting here trying to scratch it out of my head and stuff. So I was like, yeah, that's a no for me. So any of the Eco Stylers I don't use. They're too harsh and they flake. So I use this as Eco Styler. I use this for my ponytails. Like, this is just, that's why it's gone, because I don't use it for just like a styler. I use it for Eco Styler as well to hold my ponytails in place because my hair appreciates a lighter hold. It may not work for everybody. It is good for a styler, but if you need something a bit stronger to hold your hair in place and to lay your edges, then this is probably going to be too lightweight for you. But if Eco Styler and some of those edge controls are just too harsh for your hair, I would just give this a shot because it's lightweight. You know, my hair curls up a lot, and most Eco Stylers don't work anyway because they flake before they even do their job. But this is lightweight. My hair doesn't feel dry or cakey or any of that. So definitely give this product a try. It smells amazing, and flaxseed is good for your hair anyway. So it's just a win. Okay. So this is available at Walmart and Target as well. So the next product I have to mention is by Pantene. Looks like this. This is their the Gold Series. Yeah. So this is their hydrating buttercream infused with argan oil for dry, damaged hair. It's sulfate free and dye free, and it says it will leave you with 72-hour moisture. I don't use this product for my wash and goes. I use this product when I'm trying to manipulate my hair. Like, I find that this product works really well when I'm trying to do a rod set. Like when I'm using the rod curlers, like I use this right after, like I actually pair it with their detangling milk. I'll use the detangling milk, and then I'll add this for my styler, and my hair always turns out super shiny, and it's like frizz free. Like, this is awesome. I don't know how it works for like a wash and go, but if you're trying to do like any of the manipulated styles, like braid out, a twist out, like I said, I use it for the rods. This is like that go-to product because it's super defining. But the key to those type of styles is like you don't want any frizz. Like, that's the biggest thing. Like when you're trying to pull, whether it's the twist apart or your braids or whatever you got going on, you're trying to like make sure to be super gentle, applying oil on your hands and everything, so you don't create that frizz, like all your hard work, and then you take it down, and because you know it's all frizzy and it looks crazy. But this product is super defining, and it like really helps to alleviate the frizz. So it gives you the moisture, and it reduces the frizz, and it leaves your hair looking super shiny. Like when I use this product, you can't tell me nothing with my little manipulated hairstyles. I don't do them often. That's why this product is super full. Like, you don't really need a lot. Like, I literally use like for each little part of my hair, like I literally only have to use like this much. Like, you don't have to apply a super lot. Like, it's super hydrating, and it helps with the frizz. Like, that is super. I keep bringing up the frizz because that's important. Like when you're doing a twist out or when you're trying to do your braid out, and you don't want any frizz because then it's gonna look crazy. It's gonna look like a wash and go. But when you do those styles, if you use this, it's super hydrating, and it leaves your hair super shiny. I bought this at Target. Not sure the price, but I will list it down below. Should try all the Gold series. Is a pretty good series for me. Like, I only tried the detangling milk, and I use this every time. Like when this runs out and I want to use a manipulated hairstyle, I always grab this. If I don't have it, I go out and get it. I'll leave the price down below. But you should check it out for like your braid outs or your twist outs, and pair it with the detangling milk because they work really well together. So, okay, so the next product I have to mention is also by Aunt Jackie's. I love her styling products, so don't judge. Okay, this is the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. It's sulfate free, paraben free, it has no mineral oil, and it's for all hair types. It's like this nice fluffy purple consistency. Let's see here. See, it's like nice and fluffy. Reminds me of yogurt. This consistency is, it's yogurt. You see it? Oh, it's gross. Okay, but anyways, this smells really good too. Like, it smells really good. All her products smell really good. Like, I don't know, but yeah. So this, I love the packaging because, well, this one is 20% more. This was $7.59 as well, but this packaging is wonderful. Just scoop out the product and apply as much as you want. I don't have to use a whole bunch of this product on my hair, just, you know, a nice amount. But this product, I mean, it says it in the title. It's a Defining Curl Custard, but this is super defining. Like, when I put this on my hair for my wash and goes, like, I know that my hair is going to come out super shiny, my curls are going to be defined, and I'm just going to have a bomb wash and go. So if you are like interested in a super defined wash and go, or, you know, even this is also a good product for braid outs. Like, I think it even says that on here. It says it somewhere. Don't get me lying. I know it says it. So it says, unruly curls and coils, meet your match. Aunt Jackie's Curl Out Law delivers long-lasting control and definition of curls, waves, coils, frizzy hair, and braid outs. So yes, this is a really good product for, I'm sure if it works for braid outs, that it works for twist outs. I haven't tried it, but this is a really good styler for wash and goes and braid outs. It's super defining. Like I mentioned with the Pantene, like when you use a product for your manipulated styles, your twist outs, your braid outs, even your wash and goes, like you want that last product that you put in your hair to be defining, because that's going to help with the frizz. Like, you know, if you like a wash and go that got a little bit of frizz, because I've been embracing the frizz lately. My hair is frizzy. I mean, it's frizzy now, you know. It's just, I use my fingers to detangle, so I'm not using a tool, so it's not going to get out every tangle, you know. It's going to leave a little bit of frizz. But if I try to use a super defining styler, then it does help with the frizz. It helps to define the curls, and it just brings everything together. I actually have this in my hair now. That's what I used. I used this for this here. So for my hair here, you know, it's super shiny, it's nice, it's defined. I like it, you know, I like it. But yes, this is what I use. It smells good. It's just a bomb product. It's very lightweight. The first ingredient in this is water. So it's just like, only thing is not the flaxseed gel, obviously, because it's a gel, but like a lot of Aunt Jackie's products, since that water is the first ingredient, it can get messy. Even with this, it was super slippery when I was putting it in my hair. So I use this and her leave-in conditioner that I talked about in the leave-in. Godly, what is the name of that leave-in conditioner? Oh my God. Quench. I use the Quench leave-in conditioner with this, and they pair really well together. So if you're interested in trying to, you know, get a super defined, nice moisturizing, hydrating wash and go, then I would recommend this as your styler. It's bomb.com. It has a lot of product. It doesn't require you to use a lot, and it's affordable. So if you're interested, you know, this is located at your local beauty supply store, Walmart, Target, like anywhere you can find Aunt Jackie's, which is pretty much anywhere, you know what I mean? I don't think Aunt Jackie's is in Sally's, unfortunately. I don't know what that's about, but it's okay. It's everywhere else. So yes, give this product a try. It smells amazing, and it's super hydrating. So, right, we're making good time here, moving right along. Okay, so the last product I have to talk about today is Shea Moisture. It's the coconut and hibiscus curl and style milk to moisturize, curl, define thick curly hair. So this product has been, out of all the products that I've talked about today, this product is like the one I've used for the longest. This is like the ride or die. This is an OG product for me, definitely, because this was one of the very first stylers I ever used. Like, this takes me way back to when I first was trying to figure out my hair regimen. Like I've talked about previously, I would always, first of all, the entire process, the whole regimen was only Shea Moisture products, because I hadn't really found out a lot or did research on any other products. I knew Shea Moisture was well known and everyone talked about it in the natural community, so that was the only brand I used. The conditioner was always, that's the first thing I used. It was the Jamaican black castor oil. That was the conditioner. The deep conditioner was always a rotation between the Manuka honey, the deep conditioner from that line as well, the Jamaican black castor oil, and then I would go in with the leave-in conditioner from the Jamaican black castor oil. But then this is the style milk I used to use. This style milk was, this style milk is very defining. All these, that's what I care about in a styler. I want it to be super defining, and all of the stylers that I talked about today are super defining. Like, I always have a flake-free, defined, hydrating, moisturize, like all that good stuff with my wash and go when I use any one of these as a styler. But this one, it was just my tried and true. Like, I didn't even bother to try to look for anything else for a while because I knew this was gonna work. That was important to me. Like, sometimes the trial and error with wash and goes can get a little, you know, discouraging. It can get a little frustrating when you're trying to figure out what pairs well together. So I just wasn't even trying to embark on that journey. I knew this worked with what I had going on at the time, so this is what I used. This is $9.99. This I got at Target. It's at your local beauty supply. It's at Walmart. Like, Sally's. Shea Moisture is anywhere. It's even in unexpected locations. She finds her way everywhere. I mean, it's even in Bed Bath & Beyond. Like, come on. But yes, this is super hydrating and it will define your wash and go. I don't really use it on any manipulated hairstyles. Comment down below how you use Shea Moisture products, but I know that I'm gonna receive a bomb wash and go when I use this. I haven't bothered to try it on any other things, but first ingredient in this is water as well. Like most of my products, I need you to state that water is the #1 ingredient because our hair needs water to be moisturized. So it's important that when you're going in with, you know, stylers and any product really, that first ingredient is water, because you know the product's going to be hydrating, it's going to be moisturizing, and it's going to be good for your hair, and that's what we're looking for here. So yes, this is the only Shea Moisture product I had to talk about in this. I'm pretty proud of myself, but yes, this is my favorite product of all time. It never lets me down. If I don't have time to figure out how, like if I'm going to an event and I know I need my wash and go to turn out like how it's supposed to turn out, then I'll just grab this. Won't even think twice about it because I know I'm gonna have a good wash and go. Okay guys, that concludes this video. I think I did well. I think I got through this pretty quickly, hopefully. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you've used any of these products before, or I'm interested in knowing what your favorite stylers are that you use for your wash and goes or your braid outs or however you style your hair. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.